guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we're making today. This is banana nut bread on a whole other level. Let's get started. Start off this recipe by combining a half a stick of softened butter with a cup of dark brown sugar and a quarter cup of sour cream. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. I post new videos weekly. They always have a unique twist to them, so be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell. Next, add 2 eggs, and keep in mind that all of these ingredients that I'm adding right now are at room temperature. Take them out the morning of for the very best results. I'm adding all my dry ingredients, some flour, baking soda, and salt. Gently mix it in, and lastly I'm going to place the mixture to the side while I scoop out the flesh of some fresh ripe figs and 2 mashed up bananas. I want to have a total of 1.5 cups of mashed up fruit. Go ahead and add this to your mixture and some chopped up walnuts if you please. Gently fold all of this goodness into the batter just until it's combined. I'm going to pour this in a well-greased and floured loaf pan, and now this last part is optional, but if you want that cracking top on top of your loaf, I'm going to run a knife down the middle, creating a little well, and then I'm going to be pouring a thin line of some melted butter down the middle. Sprinkle this with some coarse sugar if you like that crunch, and I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 1 hour. You want to cover it halfway with foil if it's getting too brown. Alright, here it goes. We're going to slice it open. OMG, I'm so excited to try this. You know nobody likes the end, so I'm going to get towards the middle. And this is what it's looking like. Look at that, guys. Wow, the perfect banana bread. Alright guys, now for the best part, taste test time. Look how moist and tender this is, and it's just absolutely perfect. This has got to be the best banana bread I have ever had in my life. The little seeds of the fig is just everything in here. The crunchy walnuts and even the crunchy sugar on top really makes a difference. It adds a really nice touch. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.